magical circus shined inside. Tiny elephant babies spun around, balancing balls without a sound. Rainbow lions danced in line, painting glitter hats that shine. Flying zebras twirled so high, painting rainbows through the sky. Juggling monkeys tossed bright stars, lighting up the circus far. Popcorn clouds began to pop, painting confetti would never stop. Friendly hippos rode on swings, flapping giant butterfly wings. Suddenly giant circus drums went boom, opening a glowing magic room. A smiling Peacock King flew near, spreading rainbow feathers everywhere. Then a sparkling circus crown appeared, floating gently very near. Inside twinkled a golden star. Key unlocked a giant gate, shaping a kingdom simply late. The Elephant Circus Kingdom laughed with delight, sparkling brightly